Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring you have Zepeto Creator access and the latest app or desktop tools. Open Creator Studio and start a new item. Pick apparel or accessory so you get correct templates. Once done, import a 512 by 512 PNG with transparency as your base texture. This matters because Zepeto maps UVs to that texture. Make sure to name layers logically and lock background layers. This first step sets proper dimensions and file types, so the rest of the workflow won't break. You now move to modeling and UV layout. Use a low poly approach because Zepeto optimizes for mobile performance. In your 3D app, align UVs tightly to the provided Zepeto template. Overlapping or non-uniform scaling creates texture stretching in app. Once your mesh fits the template, bake normals or ambient occlusion if needed for detail. Export an FBX with Y-up orientation and exclude unnecessary objects. Then import into Creator Studio. This makes sure geometry, UVs, and texture you finish by using Creator Studio's preview to check fit, clipping, and any attachment points. If you see clipping or misplacement, adjust the texture or rigging and re-export the FBX. Small changes often fix major visual issues. Once satisfied, set item metadata, name, tags, and description, then publish. After publishing, test the item on multiple devices to confirm performance and appearance. If things go wrong, clear caches, re-upload corrected files, and recheck UV mapping before republishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.